Exercise 9.1, question number 6, first part. 71 square. Okay. We can write 71.
70 plus 70 plus
70 plus 1 whole square. Okay. If we write 71 as 70 plus 1, it becomes identity of a plus b whole square.
yes
Okay. Yes. What is a plus b whole square?
a plus
A square plus 2ab
plus b square
A square
plus b
plus
square
b square
plus
plus
2ab.
2a. Yes. Please tell me what is a. A is 70. What is b? 1. Now replace a with 70 and replace b with 1. Okay? Yes. A square 70 square.
140
B square 1 square. 2ab. What is a? 70. What is b? 1. 70 square 1 square and 140. Okay. Now it become 5041. 5041. Check the answer, please.
yes
99 square.
yes
How can we write it?
sir 90
100
100 minus 1 yes sir 100 minus 1
Listen to me. Yes, Smith Singh, very good. Listen to me. We can do it by two methods. 90 plus 9, yeah, 100 minus 1.
yes
100 minus 1 will be easy. Okay. Now it can be written as 100 minus 1 square. Okay. Identity will apply. Identity will be a minus b whole square. Very good.
A square plus b square minus
A minus b whole square. A square plus b square
minus 2
minus 2ab.
a square minus b square
Yes. What is a? A is
100
and square
b is
1
1. Only 1. B is 1. Okay. Now a square 100 square. B square. What is a? What is b? 100 square. Okay. Minus 1. Okay. 0. 8. 9810. 9801. 9801. Number 6. Which part? V.
5
Fifth part. 5.2 square.
sir
5.2 square.
2.6 plus 2.6
Listen. 5 plus 0.2 square. Whole square. 5 plus 0.2 whole square.
yes sir
Now identity becomes a plus b whole square.
yes sir
It becomes a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now what is A? A is 5. What is B? B is 0.2. 5 square plus 0.2 plus 2 into 5 into 0.2. Okay. Square of 5 is 25 plus 2 to the 4.
0.2.
5 to the 10. 10 to the 20.
0.04 is 0.4.
0.2 multiply 0.2.
Yes.
How much? 0.2 multiplied 0.2. How much?
0.04.
And 2 into 5 into 0.2. How much?
Yes. Come as 0.4.
2 into 5 into 0.2. How much?
So 0.2. So that means
27.04. Yes. Question number 6th part. 297 into
303. That's 303.
303. Please break it and tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I go?
How can we break it?
Sir, 200.
Sir, sir,
Plus
300.
Sir, 200
Sir,
plus
300 minus
97.
3. 300 minus 3.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
After that,
Sir, then 300 minus 3.
300
Sir,
plus
300 plus 3.
3.
Sorry.
Sir, plus
300 plus 3. Yes, sir.
any identity?
Sir,
Which
sir,
are
A
the-
square minus B
A
square.
square minus
A minus B, A plus B.
Oh, yes, sir. Sir,
A minus B, A
whole
plus
square.
B. Which identity?
Sir, A minus B whole
A
square.
minus B, A plus B.
minus B square.
A square minus B square.
Yes, sir, मैंने
Very
बोल
good.
दिया। ये मैंने बोल दिया था।
A minus B, A plus B.
ये मैंने पहले बोला था, पहले कैसे बोला?
A square minus B square.
मैंने पहले बोला था।
A square minus B square. What is A?
300.
Sir, 200 minus.
Sir, 300.
300.
Yes, sir, 300.
What is B?
3.
300 square is
Sir, the 900.
Sir, 9,000.
square of 3 is 9
90,000.
and double
1000 in 90.
20 converted into 40.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Sir, 9.
Sir, 9.
Am I right or wrong?
Sir, 90,000.
300 into 300, 90,000 minus 9. Okay. 19998. Check the answer.
सर पीछे इसका आंसर ही लिखा है
78 into 82.
सर 80 minus 3
80 minus 2.
Please tell me.
80 minus 2.
80 minus 2. After that,
80 plus 2.
80 plus 2. Very good. Identity applied is
So A plus
A minus B,
ये A plus B.
A plus B,
नहीं बोलना है। A square minus B square.
A square minus
B square.
B square. Yes. What is A?
80 plus 2.
80 plus 2?
80
Plus 1400.
80 square.
80 square. A minus B, A plus B. A is 80, B is 2. Okay. And square of 80 is
640.
8 is 64.
Yes.
Sir, 6400.
मैंने तो दिया।
6400
So the total answer is 6396.
693.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, 639.
सर that's all
ठीक है.
Sir, done.
Okay. Yes, please tell me.
So,
Yes.
so 10 plus 0.5 and 10 minus 0.5.
Very good.
10 plus 0.5 and
Yes. 10 plus 0.5 10 minus 0.5. 10 plus 0.5, 10.5, 10 minus 0.5, 9.5. Identity becomes A plus B and A minus B. It becomes A square minus B square. Okay. What is A?
10.
10.
10 square.
10.
What is B?
0.5 square.
Okay. Square of 10 is
100.
and it becomes 0.25.
So, sir, answer is 99.7.
99.75.
75.
That's sir.
A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. Okay. Now, seventh first part. 51 square minus 49 square. 51 square minus 49.
50 plus 1.
50
50
plus 1,
plus
50
1.
minus 1.
51.
50 plus 1, 50 minus 1.
Yes.
A square minus B square.
Yes, sir.
A square minus B square.
A plus B.
A plus B.
A minus C.
A minus B. Okay, here A is
51.
plus B is
49.
A is
51.
51 plus 49. 100.
Yes, sir.
51 minus 49. 2. This is the answer.
That's
Yes.
sir.
1.02 whole square minus 0.98 square. Please tell me. Yes.
So 1 plus 0.02 and 1 minus 0.02.
1 plus 0.2 and 1 minus 0.2.
Yes, sir. 0.02.
A square minus B square.
Yes, sir.
What is A square minus B square?
So A plus B minus
So
B.
A plus B and A minus B.
Yes. What is A?
So
So
1.
1.02.
Yes.
What is B?
0.98.
0.98. Okay. Yes. A square minus B square. A plus B. A minus B. What is A? 1.02 plus 0.98.
Yes.
1.02 minus 0.98. 1.002 plus 0.98. 1.02 minus 0.98.
2 and 2, 2.
Yes, it becomes 1.02 plus 0.98.
2.
2. Confirm? Yes, 2.00.
Minus 2.
And it becomes
Minus 2.
1.02 minus 0.98. How much?
So 4.
Please tell me.
So 4.
4.
Yes, sir. 4.
Huh?
0.04.
0.04.
अरे यार मुझे पता है 0.04
12 minus 8, 4. 0.04.
Yes, sir. Yeah, 2.04.
0.04. Multiplied it. 2 multiplied 0.04. Please tell me.
सर 8.00
हैं
So 0.08.
सर बता दी
0.08
0.08.
0.08.
multiply it by 2 2 4s are 8 0 0 1 2 0.08
Yes.
Yes, sir.
समझो समझो कोशिश करो सीखना 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. Identity applied will be a square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b bracket. Here a is 12.1
Yes, sir.
and b is 7.9. 12.1 plus 7.9. 12.1 minus 7.9. 12.1 plus 7.9. Tell me. 12.1 plus 7.9.
So 2. So 20.
20. क्या करो?
20 है सर और दूसरे वाले का
Yes. 12.1 plus 7.9. 20.0.
सर पॉइंट
20.
जरूरी है
So
12.2.
16.2.
हैं?
16.2.
12.1
Minus है ना?
minus
So it's 6.
16.2.
minus 7.9.
अरे, nice.
So 6.
Yes, sir. अरे,
11 minus 9, 2.
Yes, sir.
11 minus 7 4. 4.1.
Yes.
Yes.
Any problem?
No, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
2.2 है ना?
4.2.
सर 84.0
Yes.
84.0 सर
0 42 to the 84.
सर पॉइंट 8 है
1 2.
84.
82.
Yes.
There is no value of zeros after decimal.
Yes.
Decimal के बाद जो zeros होती है उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. 84.
सर 8 क्वेश्चन लास्ट
Question number 8. Question number 8.
Plus.
X plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b bracket close x plus ab.
Yes, sir.
Here.
Yes.
Now 103
100.
into 104. How can we break it?
सर 100 प्लस
100
100 प्लस 4
Very good.
3 and 100 plus 4.
Very good. Very good. 100 plus 3 multiplied 100 plus 4. Yes. X plus a x plus b.
x2 प्लस a
It
प्लस
becomes x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay. What is x?
सर
X is 100.
100.
सर फिर a क्या है
What is a? A is 3
3.
and b is
4.
4.
4.
X plus a x plus a x is 100, a is 3. X plus b x is 100, b is 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now apply the value of x, a and b in this identity. What is x?
100.
100.
100 square.
What is A?
3.
What is B?
4.
What is X?
100.
100.
What is A?
3.
What is B?
4.
4.
Square of 100 is 100 into 100.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Plus 7 into 100.
700.
3 4 are 12. 700 plus 12.
10,712.
10,712. Do it.
7.
103 into 98.
100 plus 3.
100 plus
100
3
minus.
minus 100 minus
100 माइनस हो नहीं सकता ना सर 100 माइनस हो ही नहीं सकता शायद
100 minus 2.
सर हो ही नहीं सकता
क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
क्वेश्चन है ही
हो
नहीं
ही नहीं सकता, बोलो हो ही नहीं सकता.
सर क्वेश्चन में है ही नहीं ना
क्या नहीं है?
सर इसमें लिखा है x प्लस a x प्लस b
ठीक हो जाएगा.
तो b सर माइनस है
अरे x 100 हो जाएगा, a 3 हो जाएगा और
Listen,
b
listen,
हो जाएगा.
listen. X plus A, X plus B. आइड होती है क्या होती है? X square plus A plus B, X plus A.
मतलब माइनस का काम ही नहीं है
Listen, अब देखिए. X plus A से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं इसमें. X plus A, X क्या है? 100 है. A कितना है? 3. X वही 100 आएगा. अब A यहाँ पे प्लस A इज इक्वल टू क्या है? -2 है. A इज इक्वल टू -2 आएगा.
सर a ने b इज इक्वल टू माइनस
So B is equals
B.
सर b इज इक्वल
B,
टू
B. B is -2. Okay. B is -2. B is -2. Okay. Here X is
100.
100. What is A? 3.
3.
Plus B is
Minus 2.
X is
100.
what is A?
3
B is
माइनस 2
okay. Any problem?
no.
Square of 100 is
10,000.
10,000.
3 plus minus
माइनस
Minus
1
1. 100. 3 to the 6 minus 6.
सर डायरेक्ट 100 नहीं लिख सकते
लिख सकते हैं.
सर डायरेक्ट 100 लिख
तो 100.
100 minus
जो भी 100 है.
94.
Yes.
And 10,094.
10,094.
94.
That's
X square plus A plus B X plus AB. Okay. Yes. What is X?
9 square
9.
What is A?
so sir 0.7
What is B? What is X?
9
9.
What is A? 0.7. What is B? 0.8. Okay. Now square of 9 is 81 and 0.7 plus 0.8 1.5. 9. 700 is 56 0.56. 81 59 is 135 plus 13.5. नहीं समझ में आया? क्या क्या मैंने दैट मल्टीप्लाई को डेसिमल से लगा दिया होगा सीधा आफ्टर वन डिजिट डेसिमल है ना। अब देखो मैंने क्या 59 is 135 after one digit decimal after one digit decimals 0.56 it becomes 81
81.56
81.00 plus 13.5 0.56 6 0 5 105 105 point
Sir, 9500.
So 95.
yes sir
95 95.06
Yes, sir.
95.06 okay do it
That's
Done.
now chapter number 10
eh?
Sir,
No, sir.